Alright guys, welcome back. Welcome back. We're back over here, and what I did is I pulled off the carburetor, I cleaned it up with carb cleaner, I opened it all up and I put it back together, and I just primed it again, and we're going to choke it. Just make sure we're choked, fully choked, and we'll start the water. What I did is I have a, I'll show you. No, that ripped. That's good. Well, anyways, I have a fitting that fits onto the hose that takes a 1/4-inch silicone water pickup right over there. We'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can do. Hopefully she starts and runs better now. We got water. Let's move this away. Now, she should start right up, guys. And water fitting came off again. Let me start it without water for now. Okay, don't choke her. I mean, do not, oh, it's right here. Flood her code. Open that choke again. Okay. Choke fully opened. Alright, well, that's a hell of a lot better than it was at the lake, so let's see if we can get some water in her. Alright, let's see, hopefully that holds. Get the water going. Alright, I don't know if you guys saw that, but water again. You wonder why it's so loud? The exhaust came off. Whew. Smart. Alright. Okay. Well, at least the carburetor's running better. Okay, I'm going to close this up and we'll try it again. Alright, so I'm just closing this back up right now, and I'll torque it down in a second. Alright. think we're good, guys. I think we're good. Let me run that water out of her. Damn, those bolts work themselves out again. Alright, I need to figure that out. Okay. Well, moment of truth. One more time.
Let's watch that exhaust.
Pretty close to being dialed in, I would say. Not bad. Let's turn that water off. Oop. Let's run that out. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. I think she's ready for another run. Wow, look at all that grease that came out of her. Holy shit. All right, guys. So yeah, that's it. We'll take her out again and we'll give her another shot. She's running way better now. And next time we'll make sure we have the rescue boat transmitter, right? All right. So hope everybody's having a good weekend, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.